Here are 5 reasons on why you should use business credit for your marketing. Number 1, you will create more cash flow. By using credit, you will be able to create more cash flow, which will increase the revenue and value in your company to a higher value. 2, you will be able to access rewards that business credit cards offer today. Most business credit cards will offer you either travel or cash or other rewards that you can take advantage of. 3, it helps to improve your business credit score. The more that you use your business credit cards and the more that you pay them in time, the better your credit score will be. 4, simplify accounting. Now imagine that you have a couple credit cards that you use solely for business. You can simplify the accounting by doing the bookkeeping and doing your taxes at the end of the year. 5, flexibility and convenience. Now imagine just using your credit cards to be able to pay for your business expenses, in this case marketing. You will be able to only be able to pay for that, use the credit, but also now use the time that you have in order to improve your business. Now if you want to know more tips, follow for more.